Hello! So today we're gonna change the liquid freezer to coldplate here that has a problem. I got this service kit from Arctic and you can get it from the support site. I will link it down below so that you can get it. And today I brought my daughter. So my daughter is gonna show you how to do this because she's 4 years old and everyone can do this. So, well, we're gonna do it together, okay?
Okay.
Så nu gør vi det sammen?
Ja. Yeah.
Så skal vi starte med at skrue dem her af, okay?
Ja.
Nu skal vi pakke den her ud.
Okay, så pakker vi sådan her. Så kommer det ud der.
Okay, so this is the replacement kit, or the contents of the replacement kit. And we got 2 replacement screws that are supposed to go here in the back. And then we have the new cold plate with the new packing stuff here. So, and then we have some refueling liquid here. There's some thermal paste for your CPU if you need it. So let's change the plate. Okay, Svea.
Yeah.
Så her der har vi den her plade, som skal skiftes ud.
Ja.
Så hvis vi lige pakker den ud.
Så vi skal lige pakke.
Nu skal vi være forsigtige. Den er lidt svær. Sådan, ja. Kom. Så skal du se her.
Den her vil jeg have.
Nej, det må du ikke få. Prøv at se, den skal sidde her på.
No.
Og det er vigtigt, at den vender rigtigt. Så nu skal vi lige se, at vi vender den rigtigt. Okay? Sådan. Så lader vi den lige ligge der.
Ja.
Så tager du den her op.
Okay.
Forsigtig af. Kan du få den af?
Nej, du skal.
Sådan.
Den er
Kan du tage den af her? Sådan. Og så kan du se her. Så lægger du den derned. Den anden vej.
Nu her.
Sådan der. Perfekt.
Der er vand på den.
Det er fordi der er vand nede i den her nemlig. Nu skal vi passe lidt på. Okay?
Ja.
Så skal vi se her. Så kigger vi lige på den her. Kan du se. So all the old coolers have the black packaging here, and the new replacement has this transparent one. And we need to put it here. So we're gonna do it in 2 steps. We're gonna take the packaging first, and then we're gonna put the cold plate on there afterwards. Okay?
Ja.
Så jeg nu skal vi se. Så tager vi den her. Den skal herop først.
Okay, så den skal vende.
Den skal vende den anden vej.
Nå.
Så de her skal vende nedad. Sådan der. Ikke helt på at se. Kan du se buen her? Sådan. Okay?
Ja.
Godt. Så skal vi have den her. Ikke den der nu.
Okay.
Så skal vi have den her.
Ja.
Så åbner vi her.
Og
så skal du tage. Prøv at se her.
Den her.
Nej, den skal vi ikke bruge nu.
Nå,
og se, så skal vi fylde op i her. Sådan så der kommer vand her.
Så vi skal bruge hele den der?
Nej, vi skal ikke bruge det hele, vi skal bruge noget andet. Og så skal jeg lige se, at vi ikke har fået fyldt for meget i. Ser fint ud. Sådan.
Der er vand.
Så skal vi tage den der. Den skal vi passe lidt på nu. Okay?
Ja, den er mega tung.
Sådan. Så skal du, den røde der, den skal vende dernede af.
Den her?
Ja, den der røde flap. Sådan der.
Okay.
Sådan.
Sådan.
Godt. Så skal vi skrue den fast igen.
Okay.
Så tager vi...
Så har vi skruerne her.
Kan du huske, hvor de lange skulle være?
Det er
Der.
der.
Så starter vi lige med den der, så vi skal ikke skrue den helt i endnu. Okay, så prøver vi en gang. Så hjælper vi. Okay, so now we need to check if everything is airtight, watertight, and nothing is coming out from here. So this looks amazing. Cool.
Jo.
Godt arbejde.
Hvad skal vi så?
Okay, so a couple of comments here. As you can see, it was very easy for my 4-year-old, with some help though, to change the cooling plate on the liquid freezer too. This cooling fluid, if your system has run for a while, you will use more of this, of course, because it wears out, or not wears out. It's not like a metal or something, but some of it gets lost into infinity or something, I don't know, but just keep the rest of this and you will be able to refill it, because now you know how to do that as well. Also, the replacement screws that comes with the service kit here are for the front or the back. It's make a note of where the longer of the screws comes out of the cooling plate, because this is for that part. You're left with a very nice piece of copper when you're done. I'm not really sure what to do with it, but it's supposed to be very good at transferring heat, of course, because it's a cooling plate, and the copper part doesn't have any flaws basically. So maybe we could repurpose this for some kind of GPU mod or something, if we needed to cool some VRMs or whatever. The only thing that might become a problem that we would need to think of, I say we because you're part of this. Leave a comment if you have any good suggestions. Okay, so as you can see, the only problem is that this is not completely flat, of course. I'm gonna get my face out of here. Okay, so maybe it can focus here. So this is not completely flat, so we would need to take off this part with the fins to make it useful, I guess. But if you have any good suggestions on what to use or what we can repurpose this copper for, let me know in the comments down below. And I hope to see you again. Okay, cool. Bye bye.